Today we delve into the intricacies of this blue and white pyramidal flower vase originating from Delft around 1690. Marked with the initials AK, a signature of Adrianus Kocx from the Grieksche A, the Greek A factory, this piece featuring an hexagonal base and six-section unfolds a narrative centered around faith, hope and love. Notably, pyramid-shaped flower vases like this were not standard in Delft pottery. Only a few factories, including the Grieksche A, engaged in the intricate and costly production of these artifacts. Intriguingly, patrons, especially from royal and noble circles, sought exclusive models. Queen Mary II played a significant role in popularizing these flower pyramids as symbols of prestige. The hexagonal form, with roots in Roman times, signifies divine power and perfection. Adrianus Kocx's potential inspiration from the porcelain pagoda engraving adds an interesting layer to the narrative. Similar instances globally, like at the National Gallery of Victoria and Chatsworth House, tell unique stories, as does the provenance of Sir Cecil Beaton and sold from his estate in 1980. This meticulously crafted relic, brimming with historical significance, stands as a testament to the peak of Dutch Delftware during its golden age. In January 2024, Adrianus of Amsterdam marks 30 years of presenting Dutch Delftware at New York City prestigious art scene, the Winter Show. Our journey beyond the Dutch borders began in 1990 in the heart of London, and by 1995, Adrianus of Amsterdam proudly embraced its Dutch heritage at the then called Winter Antique Show in New York. In 2002, a resilient shift to the Hilton Hotel symbolized the art community's strength in the face of adversity post 9/11. Encounters with Oprah Winfrey and Martha Stewart underscored the global appeal of our Delftware collection. As the Winter Show marks its 70th anniversary, we celebrate our 30th year reflecting on a journey fueled by the enduring allure of Delftware. This milestone invites us to honor the past, savor the present and anticipate the ongoing journey as Adrianus of Amsterdam continues to be a global ambassador for Delftware. Adrianus of Amsterdam, a legacy since 1881, bridging cultures and rekindling Dutch heritage in the heart of the United States.